Y'all, Dominoes 7 here. The reason why I'm out of breath because I was running to catch the bus, but it was the wrong bus. It was the Franklin. Okay, I'm on Claiborne right now. In case some of y'all don't know, the Franklin bus pass on Claiborne now. You know, so it don't go that usual route no more. Used to turn on Elk Place, then go straight down St. Claude and turn and make a left on Franklin, where actually it do another route. It comes down Claiborne, make a right on Elysia Fields, make that U-turn, and then make another right to not Claiborne, I mean St. Claude, and then make a left on Franklin. Okay, never mind that. But anyway, it's Easter Sunday. Okay, all right. My second Easter known Nala, but unfortunately, I won't be spending my Easter with Nala. Okay, I wish I could though. She's sweet sometimes, she's bitter sometimes, you know. That's women for you, okay? Vlogging YouTube, Facebook on this Easter early Sunday morning, okay? What a beautiful Sunday Easter morning. All right. So anyway, I'm sure Dianca is watching this video. You know, I'm not sure of it, you know. Too bad she live in damn Houston, Texas, you know. I wish she was living in Louisiana though. But they love it up there in Houston, Texas, you know. I could have moved to Texas myself, you know. Well, it's Easter Sunday. I'll try not to say nothing negative about my so-called best friend, you know, even though she not really my best friend as far as that, you know. Okay. As far as that, oh look how everything look now. Okay. For some of you that's not familiar with the city, and for some of you that haven't been in New Orleans for a while, okay. So look at the surroundings. All right, so the way I think about it, folks, I'm still waiting on the bus. I'm sitting on this thing. There's no sitting place across the street. No sitting place across the street to sit down. No bench, I meant to say. All right, let's see if a bus coming. From my vantage point, look like a bus coming. From my vantage point, a bus is coming. Okay. So, all right. So, about to get on this bus and go straight to church. Okay. God bless y'all. God keep y'all. Okay. All right. Happy Easter, everybody.